Today I am going to tell you about the JavaScript events. HTML events are things that happen to HTML elements. When JavaScript is used in HTML pages, JavaScript can react on these events. HTML events. An HTML event can be something the browser does or something user does. Here are some examples of HTML events. An HTML web page has finished downloading, HTML input field was changed, and an HTML button was clicked. Often when events happen, you may want to be something. You may want to do something. JavaScripts let you execute code when events are detected. HTML allows event handler attributes with JavaScript code to be added to HTML elements with a single quote. Elements events equals to some JavaScript with double quotes. Even elements some JavaScript with single quotes. In following example, onClick attribute is added to a button element. Button on click document get element ID demo in your HTML page. So it will display you the date of your current date of your system. The time is, and it will give you a date. Document HTML, same thing we can write with HTML and body. If you won't write the HTML in body, still it will work and display the date when you write it within the script. So here I am writing button on click display date, the time is, so then it will display your date. Today we will learn the on change events, different events, on change, on click, on mouse, over and out, on key down and up, on load or unload, on cut, on copy, on scroll, and many events we will learn today. On change event. When we change the event, then suppose you have a pop-up menu and you have to select anything, then you must write this script type text or JavaScript function. This is optional. If you leave it, then it will take, because by default the browser take the JavaScript. Function on select change select. Now there is an option and you have to select. So right here on selection change select. What selection option equals to selection option select index. Index will tell you in which position you are getting your information which you have chosen from the option. Alert select option is selected option value, which is we are getting from this variable. I have taken a variable selected option and getting the selected option index in it, and then when we say the selected option is, then it will give the value which we have selected from the option. Select an item from following list. Now I have to make the option also. If there is option, then only you can select. So select on change, on select change this. This means the fruit value which you are going to select. So apple, pears and peach, I have made 3 options. So for that you have to run this program and get how it will work. First of all, I will tell you about the how to load the onload event is used, because first of all we load the page and then we work. So when we say onload my function h1 hello world, as you say this, then hello world will be displayed in function. So in function I have written alert page is loaded. So let's see how we will do this. Here on load my function, in function I have written page is loaded. When you run this, then it will give you a hello world. Okay. On change event, the example illustrate the use of on change event for select element, select an item from for following list. I have made the list apple, pear and peach. Now suppose I am selecting pears. So this will show you the selected option is pear. So on change, it will give you a selected item. Now again if you choose the apple, then it will give you a apple. Now learn the on click event. On change you have already done. Now do on click event. When you click somewhere, then the text which you have written will be changed into oops. This on click this means current element in which the text is written. Click on this text to check the online on click event. Font size is 6, color is red. This text color is red. When you run and when you click on it, it will convert into the oops. So click event will work. Next is the on mouse over and mouse out. When you do the mouse over event, then image will become big, and when mouse out, the image will become a normal. So I have taken the ant.png one picture whose attribute is width and height is 100 pixel, which is normal. The function big image is trigger when the user mouse moves to the mouse pointer over the image, and the function normal image is trigger when the mouse pointer is moved out of the image. इमेज के बाहर हो जाएगा तो नॉर्मल में दिखेगा. उसके लिए what I have made in function big image equals to x. X means this, a current element. X style height 200 pixel, style width 200 pixel. So it will become a big because in normal it is 100 pixel. So now run it. This is a normal. When you do the mouse over the picture, then it will become a big. तब वो बड़ी हो जाएगी और जब बाहर करेंगे तो छोटी हो जाएगी. On mouse over it will become big, and mouse out it will become a small. Now next is onload check the cookies. If you want to check the cookies, then onload it will get the cookies and give the value. But we are not working on the internet site, so come here and do it. JavaScript event. This one. Now see. It is not taking. A function is triggered when user is pressing a key in the input field. अब यहाँ पे जब हम आएंगे तो कुछ भी अगर लिखेंगे तो वो काम करेगा. Now how it will work, just see. और जब हम इस पे टाइप करेंगे तो स्मॉल लेटर को बिग में कर देगा, जैसे कि अप होगी. अब देखिए कैसे हो रहा है. ऑन की डाउन function is triggered when the user releases a key in the input field. The function transforms the character to uppercase on up key. हो रहा था छोटा स्मॉल डालने से बड़ा हो रहा था, तो इसके लिए लिखा है माई फंक्शन x इज इक्वल टू डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट गेट एलिमेंट बाई आई डी एफ नेम. एफ नेम इज द आई डी and here I have described the ID. This is a down example ना. On up down में क्या किया? In down text on key down my function. So it will write alert your pressed key inside the input field in my function. और जब बड़ा किया है तो my function 1 करके डॉक्यूमेंट गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी एफ नेम. एफ नेम हमने यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट के लिए डिफाइन किया है. सो इट विल गिव यू अ alphabet in big convert the lower alphabet to big as just I show you, or you can see it again. When you write and when you write here, then it will become a big. Now the on mouse down and up, डाउन करने पे ऑन माउस डाउन क्या होगा? वो की डाउन एंड अप था. माउस डाउन क्या होगा? ऑन माउस डाउन एम डाउन दिस, ऑन माउस अप एम अप दिस, and I have made the box in which I will convert the color. So go there, let's see. Click me, it will change the color. When you scroll, then also it will change the color. On mouse down, mouse up पे red, mouse down पे blue. Now mouse over and on this it will convert into red, and when you take it out, then mouse out, then it will black. On focus it will become a yellow, a text box become a yellow. How it is working, just see. Here a background color is blue, and on release it will become a pink, and on by style background color is जब माउस अप करेगा तो ब्लू, और जब माउस डाउन करेगा तो ब्लू, अदरवाइज पिंक. ये हो गया. माउस ओवर पे स्टाइल कलर रेड हो गया, और आउट पे स्टाइल कलर ब्लैक हो गया. On focus means कि when you cursor place on the within the text, then text background color will change into yellow, which I have written here. My function x style background color is yellow. Enter your name. Input type text on focus. Enter your name. When the input field get focus, a function is triggered which change the background color yellow. On copy event, suppose you are going to copy something, then it will say you copied the text. Text on copy, my function value try. First time the text value is try to copy this. Otherwise you won't be able to understand what you are going to do. So when you get the text, then you copy this text, and here you will get the you copied the text. Document get element by ID demo1. Here you describe the ID inner HTML, So in paragraph it will give you copied the text. Same way when you cut the text, then try to cut this text. Then it will give you cut the text. How it will do? Just see. To copy the text, Control C, you copied the text. तुरंत आ गया. When you press cut it, Control X, then you cut the text. And double click this paragraph to trigger a function. अब double click करा. Just see what I have done. Double click. On double click my function, this paragraph to trigger a function. ID demo3 hello world. Hello world आना चाहिए. Double click पे. Maybe I'm not clicking properly. Let's see how it will do. It was working yesterday. Let's see again, something wrong. On double click, my function 5. This is 5. Double click this paragraph to trigger a function. Inner HTML वर्ड लिखा तो सही है. क्योंकि सेम प्रोग्राम में हम लोग ये आ गया हेलो वर्ल्ड. डबल क्लिक करने पे हेलो वर्ल्ड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज scroll. On scroll event. On scroll means there are lot of text and you want to see whole. For that I have made the div to describe the solid black color border, width 200, height 100 and overflow equals to scroll. When you write this, then the scroll box will come, and then try the scroll in bar in div. Come here. On scroll, my function 9. I made a function 9. In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice that I have been turning over in my mind ever since. Whenever you feel like criticizing anyone, he told me, just remember that all the people in this world haven't had the advantage that you have had. Then scroll span ID demo 40 span times. Now script variable x is equal to 0, function my function click 9 and get element by id demo 4 inner HTML x plus equals to 1. Here variable is x और जैसे जैसे हम इसको क्लिक करेंगे तो it will span one more line. So run this. Press inside the input field and come down. Here, scroll 0 times. Now, when you scroll, it will check how many times you are scrolling. So, this way you can get it. So, you scroll the text within the box. Same way as you are using in the Word. So, today's all events which I have covered, shown you practically to try in your home, and mostly these events are used in a programming to make a web page, and it will help you a lot in making the web page. So try it again and again and practice. If you practice, then you can implement it easily on a web page. And all the best for learning the JavaScript and want to create the web page. May you get the success in it. Thank you. If you like this, then please share and subscribe, and please run then subscribe. Otherwise, it won't work. At least 2 minutes you run, then subscribe. Thank you.